If you're looking for a side dish that is keto friendly and low carb, my husband's Cajun cabbage is so good and so delicious and easy to make. I'm starting with a half a head of cabbage that I cut in cubes, about 1 cup of carrots, shredded, or you can just dice them. If you're following along, we're going to add those carrots to that cabbage. And then we are going to add some water, and you're going to add enough that you have got about 3 inches in the bottom of that pot. Turn your stovetop eye on to medium. Add 1 small medium yellow onion diced. I'm going to use half of a bell pepper. The color doesn't matter. Typically I would use green, but I didn't have a green one, so I put a red bell pepper in there. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Now we use Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. That's a staple in our house, although I really don't need it. But I added probably a half a teaspoon of that to this. This is a spicy dish. You can always omit the Cajun seasoning. Now grab the Worcestershire sauce, and we are going to add 4 tablespoons. Just give it a stir. I cooked this for about 20 minutes or so with a lid on it, and voila! Sometimes we even put broccoli in this, but this cabbage is so amazing. If you like spicy food, you'll love this.